Hi, I'm Frank Shalenberger, and I'm excited about this coming conference up because it's about vision. It's hard to imagine not having vision. It's hard to imagine having bad vision. I know some of you might be experiencing that right now, but I think it's critical for our quality of life as we get older to maintain our vision as best as we can. So I'm excited about this conference because we got some leading doctors that are going to be talking about how to improve your vision, mostly with natural ways, and also how to prevent having the problem in the first place. Uh, my expertise is in ozone therapy, and I'm going to be presenting information on two different studies and then my own personal experience that clearly show that, and I'm going to be focusing mostly on macular degeneration, but I'm going to clearly be able to show you that this particular method is very good at not only preventing, but even improving macular degeneration and stopping it dead in its tracks. So I hope you all can sign up. I think you really ought to, because what can be more important than your vision? And I hope to see you there.